Tired of scrolling through hundreds of deals to find the one you need? Learn how to filter your Pipedrive deals in seconds. Now, let me show you 3 ways to do it. We will filter by owner, use saved filters, and create our own custom filters. And once you know how this works, you will never waste time hunting through your pipeline again. So let me jump into my Pipedrive account here. I have got a lot of deals on screen right now. Honestly, looking at a wall of deals can be overwhelming. But we are going to fix that right now. First, click on Deals from the left sidebar. Just go ahead and give that a click. Let the page load for a second. You should see your full deal list pop up. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Do you see a button that says Filter? It usually has a little funnel icon next to it. Go ahead and click that. Just one click and a menu will drop down for you. All right, here is the first way to filter. You will see a few tabs at the top of this menu. One of them says Owners. Click on that tab. Now you are looking at a list of everyone on your team. If you want to see only the deals assigned to a specific person, just choose their name from the list. Pick anyone. Watch what happens. The moment you select an owner, the deal list updates automatically. Just like that, you are only seeing that person's deals. No more scrolling through everyone else's stuff. Now, let us move on to the second method, saved filters. These are great if someone on your team has already set up a useful filter for you. Click the filter button again to open that menu back up. Then click on the tab that says Filters. You will see a list of any filters that have been saved previously. Pick one from the list, maybe one called My Deals or something similar. And again, the second you click it, the deals on your page update instantly. That is the power of having pre-made filters handy. But here is where things get really powerful, making your own custom filters. This is the third method, and it is a game changer. Click Filter, and then look at the bottom of that menu. You will see a button that says Plus, Add New Filter. Click that. First, give your filter a name. I will call this one High Value Deals. Type that in. Now, we need to tell Pipedrive what rules to follow. This is where you set the conditions. Click on Add Condition. Let us say I want to see only deals worth over $10,000. I set the field to Deal Value, the condition to Greater Than, and type in 10,000. You can add as many conditions as you want. Maybe you only want deals with a specific stage or a certain label. Play around with it. Once you are happy with the conditions, click Save. Then click Apply. And now, your custom filter is running. Only the deals that match your rules will appear. It saves that filter for you so you can use it again tomorrow. So why would you use this? Well, here are a few examples to get your brain working. Create one called My Deals, so you only see what you own. Create high-value deals to focus on your biggest opportunities. Open opportunities is perfect for seeing what is still alive. One deals is great for celebration and reporting, and follow-up required will show you every deal that needs some attention right now. And what I love about this is the confidence it gives you. You are not just guessing and scrolling, you are taking control. As someone who has walked through this process many times, I can tell you that mastering your filters is the fastest way to cut your daily admin time in half. So go ahead and set up a couple of those filters right now. You will wonder how you ever lived without them. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I will catch you in the next one.